Your question is, the heart of Negros Oriental beats strongest when we come together in pride, purpose, and love for our province. As shown at this year's Buglasan Festival, as Hara sa Negros Oriental, how would you help keep that spirit alive among the youth and the future generations? Again, the heart of Negros Oriental beats strongest when we come together in pride, purpose, and love for our province, as shown at this year's Buglasan Festival. As Hara sa Negros Oriental, how would you help keep that spirit alive among the youth and future generations?
Thank you for that very interesting question and somehow related to what we are celebrating tonight. As a personification of a Negrense woman, with an advocacy of utilizing local craftsmanship for livelihood program, I am very happy to see this intelligent Negrense celebrating Buglasan Festival, the yearly merrymaking and thanksgiving for the bountiful blessings that we received. And I'm glad that the local artisans are booming here in Negros Oriental. We are not just simply celebrating Buglasan Festival. We are also honoring our culture and tradition simply by appreciating what we are doing right now. And I truly believe that through my advocacy, utilizing local craftsmanship for livelihood program, this is not just a simple advocacy. This is also preserving what Negros Oriental truly have for the next generation. Thank you.
Thank you so much for that question. By being culturally rooted and with empowerment, not just with words, but with action, I can contribute to that. This year's pageant highlights our role as the bearers of culture and the purpose of our province. As an empowered woman, I want to empower my fellow Negorenses to use their voice for meaningful change, not just for today, but for future generations. And as a culturally rooted Hara, I will hold on to the roots of our province in order for me to show it to the world with pride of my history. And as a woman who holds a purpose, I am here ready not just to mirror the pride of Gihulngan City, and as a representation, I am here as a proud daughter of Negros Oriental, a culturally rooted Hara with empowerment and action, not just for today, but for our future generations to come. Thank you so much, and maayong gabi, Negros Oriental!
Keep this spirit alive among the youth and future generations. We should always show support, no matter where we're from, to other municipalities, other cities. We should always show our support to them as we would want for ourselves. Like I show my support to all the other municipalities and other candidates, because I believe that if we show our best self, then that will reward us with an amazing outcome. Thank you.
So culture is the heartbeat, the soul, and our identity. And it is ours to keep it, ours to preserve it, and it is ours to protect. So as Hara sa Negros Oriental 2025 hopeful, I will make my voice and be the voice of the voiceless. I will remind everyone of the beauty of our culture, our heritage, for this is the reason, or this is the evidence of our ancestors' pride, ancestors' sacrifices. And if I were to win the crown, I would preserve our culture by embodying the spirit of a true Negorense woman. And by this, I would also use various social media platforms to promote our festivals, our cultures, our traditions, because by that, we are able to preserve our Negorense spirit. Because unity starts not by thinking alike. It's about embracing differences but choosing to walk together. Thank you.
I think that question is so timely as we celebrate Buglasan Festival 2025. I believe I could be able to continue this strong unity within our youth and most especially to everyone, to all Negrosanon, by being a role model. I come from a poor family. I started selling snacks when I was in grade 2. I started joining pageants when I was 13 just to help my family. And of course, that experience brought me here. This is the 59th pageant I joined, and I learned resilience, compassion, and gratitude. I know these values would be able to help us Negrosanon, so let's keep these values. Let's live with these values. These values will help us unite, and of course, we will celebrate our culture together with these values. Thank you so much.